Hello students, this is Avichal Jain and I welcome you all on behalf of PrepGenius Academy. As you know, I have been teaching you SAT maths and telling you the techniques to solve these questions in less than 1 minute time. So let's start with today's question. The question is on the screen now. So they have given us a triangle ABC and this triangle area is equal to 19 and we have to find the value of tan of theta, right? So first of all, let's consider this triangle A, B and D. So basically triangle ABD is a right angle triangle and you can employ a Pythagoras theorem here. So you can say that hypotenuse square, which is nothing but AB square, should be equal to what? AD square, which is our base, plus BD square, which is equal to 4. So AB square is nothing but 5 whole square is equal to AD square plus BD square, which is equal to 4 square. So you can say 25 minus 16 is equal to AD square, or AD square is equal to 9, or AD is nothing but equal to 3, right? So this is what we are getting, 3 units as a AD, right? Now we know that the area of this triangle ABC is given to us. So what is the area of triangle ABC? Area is given to us as 19, and as we know that area is nothing but half into base into height. So what is base here? Base of triangle ABC. So we will call it as AC. So half into AC into height. Height is nothing but BD. So this is equivalent to what? 19 given to us. Now we can say that 19 is equal to half into AC is unknown and BD is 4. So 2 2s are 4. So you can say AC is nothing but 19 over 2, which is nothing but 9.5, right? So you got the value of AC. So this total is 9.5. This AD is 3. So you can say that DC is this, DC is nothing but, if you take out this DC, so this DC is nothing but AC minus AD, which is equal to 9.5 minus 3, which is equal to 6.5, right? So you got this DC, which is equal to 6.5. Now what you are supposed to find out? You are supposed to find out this tan theta, right? Using this theta, so you know that what is tan theta? Tan theta is equivalent to perpendicular over base. So what is perpendicular? If you talk about triangle BDC, so what is perpendicular? That's BD. So perpendicular over base. What is your base? Base is DC or CD. It's the same thing. So BD is 4 and your DC is 6.5, right? So what is your tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but, you can say 40 over 65, and you can solve it further. So 5 8s are 40 and 5 13s are 65. So the answer is 8 over 30. So what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but 8 over 30. So that's a grid in question. So you have to enter this in your sheet. For more such questions and techniques, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.